Good morning. This is Farmer Emmett over here at Falling Creek Farms, Eden Pure Beef. We're hanging out with some steers and heifers this morning. Pretty big group. About 120 head in this group, let's see. And let's see if we can get beautiful land back out here behind it. Yeah, but we're about to feed them some minerals. They're a little excited. Can you tell? They're all up here bugling and making lots of noise and being silly. And well, there are many different age brackets and sizes in this group because we don't have a consistent breeding period. We let nature do it, so we have cattle and beef available to you year-round because of that. So we let nature do everything that it can, and we supplement with minerals. We feed grass, we do overgrazing, and we try to grow the most healthy beef that we can find. Y'all have a blessed day. See ya.